Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today, I would like to show you the updates for Link, Chainlink USDT trading pair with my customer Sab. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I truly believe the Chainlink will hit the new all-time high. Yes, it's just my take. Of course, guys, it's humble opinion. You can have your own opinion, and I don't think so. $30, it's top of the top for this run for Chainlink. Let's be real. This is the oldest chart. I want to show you also with my customer set on the global chart Link USD crypto ticker. What's going on now? So this was a range and like accumulation long-term period. We traded in this range inside 27 zone over than 518 days. So we bounce it, and this is almost most accurate 27 zone with pure retest of that zone on weekly time frame if we compare with other tokens. So this was a top made 71, drop, support, bounce, almost test till penny 61 level FIP, collapse, and trade inside 27 block. So the block, it's a zone where we accumulate on the weekly time frame for investment. It was at the range between $8.16, $4.74. Can we drop again inside that the same block? Of course we can. Guys, it's just a rhetoric question. Everything can happen, you know, on a market. Trump can post whatever he wants, you know, and the market will react. So now we just work mostly with media posts. Unfortunately, I hate this type of market when the market mostly depends on the news. Not about the price action, not about the liquidity pools, the gaps and targets, you know, direction, seasonality. Now the market trade just because of someone posts, someone tweets, some trade wars, the geopolitics, the macro. For me, it's kind of weird because this is what people pray for, you know. So when an institutional joined into the market, will skyrocket because they just threw liquidity, you know, and into this market and we skyrocket. No, this is how it works. So the institutional manipulate mostly by media, and institutional trade based on macro in the world. So it's a big money and they don't want to risk too much, especially on this high risky casino, like a crypto. Without regulation, yes, guys, it's still like a casino. So Chainlink targets, it's by my personal take, it's $76.48, 114. I'm not sure about 100 for Chainlink, but yes, 76, 1.61 level FIP, it's more than real to see. And I want to show you with my customer Sab what's going on now. Here, take a look. This was a retest, 27 block, a retest, and we're going higher to 38 level FIP. So just in case, XRP around here, Sol around here, BTC around here. So still underrated Link, you know, and this is not like meme token, not a low cap token. Yes, it's a normal token with a lot of use case. Of course, you know, I'm not a fan of fundamental, right? But Chainlink is like this token. I can name it like which one it's not vanished from the market in the next few years. A lot of tokens, guys, will vanish from the market in the next 5 years. I still think the Link will be with us in the next 5 and 10 years. So the retest of 18 level FIP, I'm not sure about this retest, but if the Sol, for example, go down, yes, we can drop lower, grab that liquidity and make reverse move, and we will be still in an uptrend, in the global downtrend structure, but local one in an uptrend structure. So of course, globally, we are in a downtrend. Take a look at the monthly gaps. So technically, this one was fulfilled. This one fulfilled. So I can say the Link move really technically. So it's a pretty good one price action. So take a look. We drop it down. Here's a. This is a monthly range, just a monthly range. We tested till penny 27 block, bounce it. Tested till penny 18 level by FIP. Close the full fill. Bounce it. Leave the gap. Close the full fill again. Now, tiny gap is here 1783. And there's no gaps above. Below this one, 55 cents. I'm not sure about 55 cents. So let's be real. This one also closed. So you can find out how the Chainlink all the time come back and close the full fill. Take a look. This is a monthly gap. This one, full fill. Let's draw it here. Full fill. This one. Take a look. This is a full fill. This one, full fill. Leave it here. Full fill. Full fill of this one. Full fill of this one. All the time. We come back and close the full fill of monthly gap till penny. So, you know, we can work with that gaps with a good win rate for a link. All the time, guys, when you see this type of order flow, at least we will bounce to 23 sooner or later. So just a matter of time. We will reversal like this one with another leg down to daily gap here. 1088, it's a daily gap. This one. Daily gap and order block. So this can be the fulfill like 1098, 1088 fulfill of daily. It's going to be the perfect scenario for us with retest and going higher. So that's it. The brilliant drop, it's once again the accumulation zone, and we talk about a spot. For intraday, of course, we have to use the daily, weekly, and lower time frame for entries. So global targets, guys, I showed you, and I truly believe in link new all-time high this run. Now we pump it only, yes, I know what I'm talking about. So 549%, I don't think so. This is the end of cycle. For Chainlink, also pay attention. BTC dominance still over than 60%. Today we saw the glitch on that they fixed it. We saw the glitch I posted on in Telegram. Glitch to 0. BTC dominance going to 0. Let's check once again the link, and I want to show you the USD. This one. This is a global chart, historical one since September 17. So this is what I would like to show you, the targets with indicators, right? Of course, guys, it's possible to see this move, you know, what I shared with you for other tokens, but I don't think so. This is a Chainlink model. I hope and I believe we'll see the new all-time high, at least the sweep of that high. But of course, guys, it's just my personal opinion. So my customer said ADZ here. This is, by the way, the Binance. And check the crypto. Yes, pretty same. So let's check on the Binance. This one. This is distribution on the monthly, but we can go higher. We been in here in this disbelief area all summer until October 2024. In this belief, now it's a hope. So yes, we can drop again inside the accumulation block, but anyway, this is not an A3 like it was here, like time to sell, and this is not a top of the top on direction in the monthly. Weekly, by the way, here's a accumulation. I'm not sure about the warranty, but if we will form the warranty, yes, we can drop once again inside accumulation block. You remember this one, but I hope not. So weekly time frame, this is disbelief. Last time when we traded in disbelief, it was September 2024. We pump it from 10 to 30. So all the time, guys, safety trade, 100% profit with raw initial deposit. This is just a beginning of accumulation, and no signal for accumulation on the direction. So sooner or later, anyway, we will see that one. We got 2 weeks more in March. So anyway, we'll see the main price movement. Again, no signal to buy back. A link on the weekly time frame. This was sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy back. So be ready for one more leg down, of course, just in case. No money inflow, but soon we will see the money inflow. Last one money inflow was in August 24, 993 and top at 30. So I wish to hold the line here and going higher to over than this liquidity pool, over than $40. April, May is hard to say about the timing, guys. But anyway, we will see the money inflow. Yes, take profit, guys. So this is a global chart. The same story like with So guys, let's add alert 966. It's a buy line on Chainlink. Take profit, the buy line. So believe it or not, but yes, we can drop and test the buy line on a weekly. So you saw it on Jasmy and many other tokens. Fundamental value of the token $9.90. Yes, it's under this low. So just in case, guys, it's a potential 28% drop. Based on what? I have no idea. But trust me, this drop will be much better. Then we will now bounce to take profit, and after that, in April, May, dump it again. We will waste the time. So I wish to see this sweep around $10. I guess it will be the good time to buy Chainlink on the spot. All lines are dynamic, guys. So I wish to see something like this one, and recover move to take profit line 22.58. First one where you need to withdraw initial deposit, and 25.55. So just wait. If $13.82 is comfortable price for you, you can buy now, buy here and here. 3 limit orders, 14 for example, 10, and let's say 4. So if market makers and the whales give you the chance to buy all of this, fill all your 3 orders, your average entry will be around, I guess, 7. And you can write to new all-time high, for example. So guys, write please in the comment what do you think about a link. Now, are we going lower to weekly time frame buy line or not? And write please in the comment what do you think about a Chainlink potential all-time high. Is it possible to see or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer salary showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.